These are the ingredients you will need for this recipe: butternut squash, onion, garlic, broccoli, mushrooms, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Peel and de-seed your butternut squash. Use a spiralizer or food processor with attachment to make spirals or noodles. Peel and slice your onion. Peel and mince your garlic. Chop your broccoli into small pieces. Slice your mushrooms. Now that your veggies are prepped, heat your olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your onions and sauté until tender. Add your garlic and butternut noodles. Stir together. Cook until noodles start to soften. Add the broccoli. Add the mushrooms and stir together. Cook until heated and slightly tender. Squeeze lemon juice over top and season with salt and pepper. Top with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and enjoy. Thanks for watching!